This short video describes the CD available through eBay, the 22 Windmill wind generator and turbine plans on one CD. As you can see here, this is advertised most weeks on eBay, and I've just loaded the CD into the computer today to show you and spin around the menu. So when you load it in, the first thing you get up is a splash up screen of the company that published this, and then you get a small menu. This will be in the centre of your screen. I'm just picking up half the screen here. So what you'll see down here is a small index. Open the CD index, the one to remember publishing site, the support email, opening the CD to look at all the different files in there, a classified website for renewable energy and home generation, and an exit from the CD. So what we'll do first of all is just pop along here, click on the words here, open the CD index, and this is what you get. You get a page opened in your web browser, and you can see it basically says welcome. There's a small link here which takes you to an Adobe reader, which you'll need to read the files, as most of the plans, in fact all of the plans are in PDF formats. So going down here, you'll see the list of 22 plans. Some of these are highlighted where I've just been clicking and opening them before, plus some extra free ones there. Wind energy guide, paper windmill plan, a little bit there describes them, public domain and written by Jemmett engineering, and some other links there for other places which you might find useful. So starting from the top then, you'll see these list of plans here, and we can just open up a couple now and just show you what happens when you open them. Basically each one of these is a link to a PDF document. So what I'll do first of all is I'll open up one which is basically a scanned document. It's a brake drum windmill by Hugh Piggott. What that does then is opens up in your web browser. You can see the scanned document, and obviously you can print that as well. On my Adobe, you've got a print system down here. You can print it, save it, do whatever you want. Not a fantastic copy, but everything you need, and of course when you print it out it's a bit easier to see. And then what you can do is you can basically just switch off that and go backwards, and you can go along and choose another one to look at. Let's have a look now at how to build a wind generator. Just opening this one up now. Again, scan document, or a document here in a little bit better format here. Each one's of different quality really, giving you instructions of how to build a wind generator. Each one of them is really for home construction, with obviously each one you'll need tools and a small workshop, and it tells you all the way through to how to do that. I'll just go back and flick through a couple of others. Let's take the large Savonius wind generator right from the top. This one is one that's 200 watts, 12 volts again. You'll see quite a lot of detail there about how to build that. Then some scan pages here with more instructions, quite easy to read, and you can print this stuff out with diagrams of how that can be built, giving you an insight there in terms of how to rewire the generator, etc. And then some more contacts at the back, websites. So 22 plans in all, and you can just basically work your way through, and there's all different ones here. There's even a wooden 100-watt generator here, something a bit different, something that you can use to again sort of build it. It shows you there the stator, shows you some detailed diagrams, and these have all been collected from different sources. Something a bit unusual. And basically you walk all the way through there, and there's even one there from 1910, a 10-foot windmill by F.E. Powell, quite a famous description of one there. And you can see it's the sort of wind pumping type windmill. So once you've finished with that, then you can close your browser down and you'll go back to the menu. This one here takes you to the publisher's website. This is an email here. If you click explore the CD, then what happened there is you'll bring up your browser to look at the context, and you can see all the different files there. In fact, if you open their data, what you'll see then is the different discs and pictures there I'll just pop that back, and then you can see all the other types of files which are on the disk, including the files used to run this. So that's the basically how you look around the CD. We'll just close that back down again, and then there's a classified website energy book which you can then load up your finished products or bits and pieces, and then when you want to exit the CD, just press exit there, you get the splash screen again, and then you've closed the CD. Thanks very much, and I hope you enjoy the CD.